Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the template hammer in ARK. This powerful tool revolutionizes your building experience, allowing you to save and instantly deploy intricate structures. Imagine replicating an entire base or a complex trap with just a few clicks. We'll cover everything from initial setup to advanced usage, ensuring you master this incredible feature. Get ready to transform your ARK building skills and construct amazing designs with unprecedented speed and precision. To create your first template, equip the template hammer and activate its primary function. You'll then need to define the area you wish to save. Simply click on two opposing corners of your structure to set the boundaries. Once the area is selected, a prompt will appear asking you to name your template. Choose a descriptive name, perhaps including its purpose or size, to easily find it later in your inventory. This simple process saves your hard work for future deployment. Once you have a template saved, loading it is straightforward. With the template hammer equipped, open its radial menu and navigate to your saved templates list. Select the template you wish to place, and a ghost image of your structure will appear in the world. Carefully position this ghost image exactly where you want your new build to stand. After confirming the placement, the structure will instantly materialize, consuming the necessary resources from your inventory or nearby storage. It's an incredibly fast way to build. For advanced usage, always ensure you have all the necessary building materials readily available before placing a template. The hammer will draw from your inventory or nearby storage boxes. Practice creating templates in a safe, open area to perfect your boundary selections and avoid accidental deletions. Consider organizing your templates by type, size, or purpose using a consistent naming convention. This will save you valuable time when searching for specific designs. Mastering these tips will make you a true ARK building master.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.